Daddy, he's back.
Oh, wait.
Hey.
Just shut your mouth, baby.
I said, shut up! I'll slap you. Daddy,
baby.
He's back. Don't baby me.
Man and woman, man.
Daddy, no, don't worry yourself. I will deal with it. If he misbehaves, I'm going to call you right away.
Please, my love.
Okay, Daddy, thank you so much.
Baby,
just look at you.
I'm begging you.
You think you're smart?
I'm not smart.
I am going to show you that I am smarter than you are.
Baby,
you want to run away from me?
Run away from you?
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere, please. Baby, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't go anywhere. I won't go anywhere. I just went to the hotel to take a few bottles, to ease up tension. My mother called me. She was saying a lot, too many issues. I don't know what else to do. I was frustrated, so I just went there to ease tension, honestly. Please, baby, I need to go to the village to see.
You are going nowhere. That is where you got it all wrong. You're going nowhere. You're going to be here with me. Those people in the village, they will neither see you or myself. We are going to be here together. You're very, very super. You are a blatant liar. You want to leave me and run away, yeah?
Boo, me?
You are not going anywhere.
I am not.
You are my husband.
I'm your husband.
Yes.
Yes.
So you are not going anywhere.
I'm not.
You left for 5 hours. Doing what? Ines Omo Yankee.
No,
Okay?
Yankee, me?
Ah.
No.
Ines Omo.
No.
So what wrong?
No, I'm here. Honestly, you can check
this. Let me tell you, my brother, you're not going anywhere. You're going to be in this house until my father comes. And you explain to him where you have been.
Husband and wife, we can.
You explain to him where you. You're going to explain to him.
Boo.
What? Get up. You're telling me about your people. So because your people know I'm wealthy, now they're looking for trouble everywhere. They're calling you to come to the village and do what?
People don't look for
and do what? So I'm asking you.
Please, I need to go see my mother. Boo.
When was the last time you performed your manly duties? Your husbandly duties? When was the last time?
Boo,
you give me.
I do.
What have you done?
Boo, please.
Get up and go inside.
Boo.
Boo what? Don't boo me. Get up. Inside. Go inside.
I understand this frustration.
Go inside. You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going.
Go inside.
Boo.
I'm going to police you till my father comes.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.